Welcome to More Wish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with a western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of braided chicken bread. A creamy, gooey chicken stuffed bread. A braided top makes it more attractive to eat. A very good, nutritious and healthy snack for your kids and a side dish for your parties. So first step is to make a dough. For dough, I first soak the yeast in a warm water, a tablespoon of yeast in quarter cup of water. Then in a stand mixture with the dough hook attached, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, crack 1 egg, then add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 4 tablespoons of vegetable cooking oil. Now knead to a medium soft dough with the warm water and then leave it covered for at least 1 hour. Lightly grease the top with the oil and then leave it to rise. Now time to make a filling. For the filling, things we need, I have around a pound chicken. I just boiled it without adding any seasoning and then just shred it. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 small onion, like around 4 tablespoons of chopped onion. Then I have 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and chopped parsley, like around 2 tablespoons. And a cup of milk. So now let's go and get cooking. So first heat up a saucepan and add 2 tablespoons of butter, then add chopped onion and cook until it's translucent. Now add your flour and cook until you start smelling the cooked flour, the aroma of the cooked flour. Then add a cup of milk and start stirring immediately. Make sure no lumps are there, and then we have to cook until it's thickened. Then add your cooked chicken with the salt and black pepper and mix very well. Cook until you get the creamy chicken mixture. Switch off the flame, add the chopped parsley, transfer it into another bowl and let it cool down completely. Now the assembling part, divide the dough into 2 balls and roll it into a rectangular shape. Now put the filling in the center of your rolled rectangle. And then start making slits on both of the remaining longer sides of the dough. Now start bringing the topmost slit ends across from each other alternately. Keep going, remember to alternate like a crisscross, crisscross. This is how it looked like after it's all braiding is done. Carefully transfer it to the parchment paper lined baking tray. Brush it with the beaten egg and sprinkle some sesame seeds and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes on 400 Fahrenheit or until done. Right after taking out from the oven, apply butter well on the whole bread and then let it rest covered with a foil for around 5 minutes to soften the bread completely. So here is my creamy chicken stuffed braided chicken bread. Do try this recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Leave me a comment down below and I'll see you next time with yet another yummy recipe. If you don't want to miss any updates or any yummy recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and it's totally free.